As mentioned in another episode, OpenSearch is compatible with Elasticsearch 7.10.2, meaning that it's possible to migrate existing a9s Elasticsearch 7 instances to new a9s Search 2 counterparts. The main idea is to migrate the entire dataset from your a9s Elasticsearch 7 service instance to your new a9s Search 2 service instance. This is possible via the Elasticsearch OpenSearch Reindex Data Operation. The Reindex Data Operation is usually intended for extensive changes to your indices, as it allows you to avoid the delete, modify online, recreate an index by copying all documents or a subset of them that you specify to another index. The migration is possible due to this share operation, as we are quite literally creating a copy of your a9s Elasticsearch data into your a9s Search data service instance. This migration does come with some minor caveats. There is no comprehensive workbench for the duration of the migration. However, we roughly estimate, based on internal and isolated tests with compact and simple datasets, that migrating around 1 GB takes about 1 to 3 minutes on average. Please note, however, that this estimation does not consider factors such as the environment, its state and particularities, your network throughput, etc. You should not allow any data insertion during the migration itself. This includes verification steps, as this can cause inconsistencies in your dataset. You should ensure that your a9s Search service instance is comparable to your a9s Elasticsearch service instance. This migration is only supported for a9s Elasticsearch 7 and a9s Search 2 service instances. While the migration process is mostly straightforward, some elbow grease is required. In this case, you should set up a tunnel between your instances so that the data can be copied from the source to the destination. You can find a detailed set of instructions in the documentation link provided in the description of the video. Thanks for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments.